Dude, this hand is perfect, but I don't have a 0. I have the Neon, I have the Leorio, I have a Raid and a Special. Like, oh
Zeros
my
are kind
god.
of overrated.
Yeah, true. I've never won by swinging with a 0, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I just never have. I don't think.
No, I have.
I was gonna say Aaron probably has from Ashford, but you know, or even from Demon Slayer.
They call Aaron Ashford.
Even Bleach.
Ashford
They do
Aaron.
call him that.
Ashford Aaron.
Man, I remember hanging out with my buddies in Ashford. Good times there.
Yeah, I can't wait to see you in set 2. You know.
I'll play
Alright.
Boros. Draw. Trash. Go ahead.
Busted start, man.
Mm-hmm.
Zeppeli, draw a card, crash a card.
By the way, Money, that Garo deck,
Yeah.
that Sonic's not a final trigger. Or a color trigger.
It's a color trigger, bud. It's not?
No. You're thinking of this one.
Oh.
The one I didn't play.
Yeah. Oh, I thought that was the one.
Nope. This is the one that banish 3, draw 1. The other one is.
Oh, well,
draw 1,
we'll
trash
go
1.
back and fix that then.
Yeah.
None of these are good cards to pitch here, but I guess I'll pitch this Kurapika. And then play another Zeppeli, draw a card. This time I pitch Hisoka, and I pass.
Promote Boros. Boros. Trashing. Sonic. And then Mosquito Girl. Give Boros 1,000. Go 25.
Special, kill Boros.
Your turn.
Oh wait, I'm still on 2, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yep.
Yeah. Leorio, pick up. And then Kurapika, go.
Promote Mosquito Girl. Sonic, draw 1, trash 1. Trash Boros. And then Boros. Draw a life. Draw 2. Trash. Boros. Go 2K.
Draw a card.
You're up.
Sick. Draw for turn. I'm gonna move. Go Basha. actually think I'm just gonna move this guy too. And then I'll play Kurapika. Then I'll play Basho. And then I'll play Kurapika, peek at the top card. That won't be necessary. Since I have 6 energy, this guy gets 1k, so that's 4 at ya.
What's the other one?
1500.
Take it, and it's color trigger. So kill a 1500.
Great. Pass.
Draw.
You love when the red color trigger gets value.
Let's promote that Sonic. Alright. I'll play the 2 action point Sonic. Summon this Sonic from my field rested. Banish 3. Draw 1. And then I will raid Sonic. On summon, can't use the ability. And then I'll do 4K.
End hand.
End of attack ability, switch itself. With this Sonic, I'll go 4K.
Nothing.
Go 3K.
Block.
15K.
Raid. I will add it to my hand.
Your turn.
Draw. It's actually tragic. Alright. Move. Move. Draw 1, trash 1. Wow. I really need something else that makes me 2 energy. I'll pitch Leorio. One. I guess I'll play that in the front. Bruh, this is tragic. I'll use Hunter License to get 1 back. Play a little guy back here. And then I will special. I will give this Kurapika 3k and snipe. So I'll go 6k sniping your 2 AP Sonic and hitting your top life.
No trigger.
I'll go 4k impact. On swing, I will bottom deck this card.
Special. They're all just 4Ks, right? On my turn.
This one's 3 on your turn. But yeah, these are 4Ks on your turn.
I'll kill the one that can attack.
Yep. And go ahead. I could have almost board wiped you if I had another 2 AP generator. It's actually crazy.
Take an extra draw.
Yeah.
I will domain monster cells.
Yep.
I will play the 2 AP. Summon back this Sonic. Do I want this one? No, I want this one. Draw 2, trash 1. Or draw 1, trash 1. I'll draw 1. I will trash the special.
Wow.
And then I will go
This is a
Raid
dirty
Sonic.
turn.
Ability, banish 3. Draw 1. And then ability, boost 1,000 for the turn. And then, you know, no, we won't use Mosquito Growth just for. I'll go 4K.
Yep. Active. I'll put that on Zeppeli here.
Ability, switch it with the other raid. 4K.
Yep. Block for 45.
Switch with this one. 4K.
Yep. GG.
GG.
Dude, so I had another restand and I had 2 raids. So I could have sniped 3 of your characters and swung with impact with my 4th. Like it would have been 4 impact swings, 3 that snipe your characters if I just had 1 more double energy.